Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to delete all of your public posts on Facebook. And now let's dive right in. Now to delete all of your posts on your Facebook account, first guys open your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into that account on which you want to delete all of your posts. Now with that being said guys, to proceed, at the bottom right corner of your screen you can see the menu or the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that menu icon or the three-lined icon, and after that you'll be directed to the menu section of your account where you can see the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen, or you can just scroll down and you can see the settings and privacy option available over here. Simply tap on that and these tabs will open, and again tap on settings. It's the same thing guys, either you tap on the settings or the settings. Now in order to proceed from here, scroll down until you can spot the activity log, and over here guys you can see under your category activity there is the activity log. Tap on that activity log guys, and over here under the blue buttons there you can see the public posts, public tags, and story activities, and many more. In order to delete all of your public posts or just posts on your Facebook, tap on the public posts, and over here guys all of your posts on Facebook will be available here. You can see until to date they will be available later on. Now in order to delete guys all of it, you can see there is the all button available for us. Simply over here just below this filter button there is the all button, and after that you can see there is the trash button available for us guys, and you can change it from over here also. But with that being said, there is the trash button. After you tap on the trash button, this kind of panel will appear where you can see the move to trash button guys, and if you tap on that move to trash button, all of your posts on Facebook will be deleted. And this is how you delete all of your Facebook posts guys. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.